What are you doing, mate?
Sergeant Andy Oakley has spotted a disaster.
Where are you going, mate? Where are you going?
I know registered. I know home. Paper home.
Yeah, so it's not registered.
No,
do you have a licence?
No, license not registered.
Okay, why are you riding it then?
Shopping.
And what's this on your head? What's that? That's a push bike helmet. That's not a motorbike helmet.
No, speak English, please.
You speak enough English to know. See this? Watch this. Look at that. Wow, if you fall off, that's just going to come straight off. What's this going to do? It's not going to protect you, is it? It wasn't even clicked in.
Yeah.
If you fall off this motorbike, you're going to smash your head on the ground. What's going to happen?
No, speak English, please.
You don't speak English?
No.
I'm just going to do some checks, all right? This guy's riding a motorbike with a moped. Huso, don't go anywhere. Put it on the stand. Put the bike on the stand. You can't move it at the moment. I'm talking to you. Okay, I'll give you the key in a minute. We just need to make some checks to see if you got a licence, all right?
Unfortunately, Andy's Bosnian is about as good as Huso's English.
Please give me the potato.
Give him a potato?
Give me the potato.
The what?
Fortunately,
Breakdown.
Ja sam Huso sida iz Hercegovine, iz Bosne.
I'm just going to see if I could drive my motorbike, which I have.
No, you cannot drive your motorbike, Huso. The motorbike goes 80 kilometres an hour, so you can't drive it unless you got a licence.
Ja, ono ide 30 na sat.
He's saying if you can come with him to his place so he can show you the written permission that he...
Well, I might actually do that.
Home.
He's telling me he thinks he's got permission from the courts.
Huso believes otherwise.
Daj mi key.
Okay, no, look, don't worry about the key. We're locking it up. We're going to take you home. You're going to show me this paperwork from Vic Road, yeah? Let's go, mate.
Which is home.
No register, no registration. Yes.
This paperwork tells you that you can get it registered because it's road legal.
No register,
Okay, look, it doesn't say it doesn't need to be registered. What it says is, it says it's road legal.
Ja motor vozim 10 years, 10 years, ja motor vozim 10 years, 15 years.
You've been doing this for 10 years?
15 years, ja vozim.
Don't admit that to me,
15
mate.
years, ja.
Okay, well, I hope you've been wearing a helmet.
Ja, 15 years, ja vozim.
It's one of those situations where this guy needs to get to the shops. He